Okay, so let's take a look at how you can preview dashboard in Einstein Analytics Studio. First thing is to make sure that you log into developer edition of Salesforce Einstein Analytics. Then click on this app launcher on top left, and once the app launcher loads, click on Analytics Studio. Then it should open something like this, and currently I have opened one dashboard. As you can see, it is empty, so let me add something on it. So let's say like image. Okay, and currently I have not added any image, but if I want to preview whatever I have added on dashboard, I will have to preview it. So to do that, I will click on this eye icon that says preview. Okay, and as you can see, it tries to show the element that I have added onto dashboard. In this case, it's image widget. Okay, now currently I have not added anything, but if I added that, it would be visible here. So we'll edit it. So we can pick from gallery if there is any. So we'll simply choose some image. So let's say if I choose this image and click on select, it will be visible here. Okay, now if I want to look at this image, we will simply click on preview, and it will be visible how final dashboard looks. So get the idea how to preview your dashboard in Salesforce Analytics Studio.